Today I'm at the Kentucky Car Club and they're having their annual picnic. And we got the fire department here, we got the bouncy gym here. We have all kinds of people here. Hey folks, where are you from? Shout it out. Everybody from Hikes Point?
Fairdale.
Fairdale?
Linden.
Linden. Where else you from?
Preston.
Preston?
Preston Highway.
Preston Highway, cool.
Okolona.
Okolona.
Actually, I think you're from.
Did you eat too much?
Yeah.
Good, you had a good time then.
More Hillview.
Hillview?
Yours is more like Hillview. Hey! Because you're in the Hillview station.
How many members do you have here?
And 250.
250?
Families.
250 families. A lot of families. Well, let's go over here and look at the cars. My goodness. All kinds of cars. I know nothing about cars, so I'm useless to you. But I'll let you see them. That's the fun part. Beautiful. Let's just walk down here and take a picture of all of them. Incredible, aren't they? How would you like to own one of these?
Hello.
These people come from all over southern Indiana and Louisville, so quite a group of people. Really amazing. Simply amazing. Well, hope you enjoyed all these cars. Bye for now.